Surprised as to how come the garage is this full. Ooh, the price went up. I'm just here to pop in and say I look so damn crusty. I look so damn crusty. Part of my plans today is to wash my car because she's going. I just saw some drug dealing happening like right in my eyes. Like this guy just comes and then, you know when you're giving someone money but you don't want them to give you money, so you do like that, ne? And then this guy goes inside the car, he fetches it, then he comes back, sits in front and sits at the back of the car, like the boot, and then gives him the stuff. Yo, I need to text his October. There's a lot of drug happening here. But anyways, guys, I'm planning something. Ooh, she looks so familiar. One thing I hate about Campton Park, you're gonna see everybody that works in aviation. Like Sana. You're literally gonna see everybody that's working in aviation. You don't have peace. You can't have space and stuff. But yeah. Right now, I'm in the hunt for Krispy Kreme. Because the garage I went to now, it didn't have nice flavors. It was like caramel, honey sweet bar. So I want like Krispy Kreme flavors that I'm used to, not that horrible thing. I look so damn crusty. Oh my word. Sorry, I'm going to the other garage. And I'm probably gonna go to McDonald's and just sit there and eat because I have nothing to do. McDonald's or Wimpy, I don't know. Anything's fine. So I just ordered my food at McDonald's and I'm just gonna sit here and eat because I want to sit here and eat just to get out of my house and not be bored and stuff. Yeah, I feel like my period's about to come. I don't know, because my cravings are so crazy. Like you are craving donuts, you are craving donuts, you are craving McDonald's, you are craving, like I'm craving so many things. I'm even thinking of going to buy the Ferrero cake at Checkers because I'm craving for that. I don't know, I'm just craving for that. I wanted to buy a Kit Kat McFlurry, I'll see. Maybe I'll buy it when I leave. Yeah. So you guys, just waiting for my meal, and I'm gonna watch. What do I don't know if I must watch this thing that I just started on Netflix, Miss Governor, or I should watch my YouTube vlogs that I downloaded. My lady Malela did upload for her, the podcasting that she does now, and Sophiology also uploaded live lately. So I think I'll see which one I'm gonna catch up on, and then go back to my place, and then yeah, that's on per. Definitely not going to leave me alone. Because what do you mean? They literally just put like a bunch of ice blocks. So delicious. I don't know if people want lunch and stuff. I don't know. Just look at that. I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna be so happy. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another vlog, guys. Today is such a sad day today because my polo is going. Guys, my VW is going back to the rental place. Thank God my car is now done. I just have to pick it up in the next 2 days. Yeah, my car is in the final stages, so I just need to pick it up in the next 2 days. So I guess for the next today and tomorrow and the other day, I will have to request. Uber is gonna gain a customer again. But anyways, guys, let's go and drop off this car. But first I need to pour some petrol, full tank, because you have to take it back with the full tank. I'm gonna go pour some petrol, and then yeah, I'm gonna miss a VW. But I'm glad my car is coming back, but at the same time I'm like, oh my word, I was already bonding with this car. But guys, yo, let us go. Yo, I forgot. Hello.
Hi.
My place I have full tank 95. Fine. That's on per. Guys, my car is going. I'm so sad. What the fuck? I'm really, really sad. I don't want to lie. I wonder how much is the full tank of this car. I really wonder. I'll find myself paying 3 million. Bitch. Because how much is the full tank of this car? Oh my word. Guys, how much is the full tank?
What's up? What's up? What's up, Mazamba? See my botella.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Guys, guess what? It was a system error for them to be sending me notifications that the car must come back today, but their branch is not open. So I get to keep Snowy for one more day. I'm so happy. Oh, kucelela ngiyobhaka kubi mina. It's really packed. Bye. Guys, I'm finally saying goodbye to my baby. I'm gonna miss her so much. Anyways, guys, I just finished dropping off the car. I'm waiting for my Uber, and then I'm gonna take a nap before I prep for work and stuff. I look so crusty. Hello. Get paid.
sinikezana ngolwazi oluzoba usizo siphinde sikhulume nosomabhizinisi abasemkhakheni eyahlukahlukene abazositshela ngohambo lwabo ebhizinisini kule nyanga besifazane
that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
I'll be the rubber band, you be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top, I can be the fall. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and eyes with your pretty little hands. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when it's you or die, we can do it, baby, simple as that. This is love, it's a short
Bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Guys, my period pains are messing up with me crazy. Like, they are so painful, and I'm like trying to get this aircon, the vents, to like hit my tummy because they are the worst pains ever. I feel like this is a reminder that I would not survive labor pains. Like, I would not survive labor pains. But yeah, I'm off to go do my hair now. I don't know if I'll survive. I better, because what the fuck. Let me go, guys. I'll chat to you guys later. Guys, this is the situation. So obviously I'm gonna have this hot bottle here, and then I'm gonna wear like a big jacket, so when I'm walking to the saloon they don't see me with a big bottle. But yeah, guys, this is how bad, how painful it is. So I had to go back to my place, and then I wasn't gonna take my hot water bottle because that one is very, very big, and I don't have like that small portable hot water bottle. So I had to take like literally a bottle and then make it a hot water bottle. Let's go back to go do my hair. I don't even think I'm gonna do my nails today because of how badly my pains are. Mexican silver. Guys, I'm trying to look for Mexican silver. Extra large, but I don't think they have it. That is medium. It's crazy. So I just ordered what do you call this? A chicken cheeseburger. Yeah, with chips and a small Coke buddy. And then I'm gonna get home and then bath. Have like a good skincare, you understand, night routine, and then I'll cook. And then yeah, get ready for work tomorrow. That's on per. So I went to Mr. Price to go get those razors. I'll show you guys when I get back to the car. Then, yeah, crazy business. That is actually crazy. I don't know why this person's looking at me like that.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I'm the boy by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. Guys, I am so late for training. Well, I'm not late, but oof, that was bad, girl. I don't know, but I'm struggling to get out of here. What's going on? It's your first time driving. I know. I look so damn pretty. Hey guys, I just got to work. I'm here to do my recurrent refreshes. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty long day. So that's why I'm wearing my glasses today, because I want to look very serious. I literally just want to look very serious. So let me go, because my class is starting in like 10 minutes. And I need to like rush to the building and then clock in and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go guys. Let's go. I'm gonna need the house keys. Why don't I leave them in here? Okay. Guys, at this company, it's competition of magnets. Literally where I'm parked, there's like 4 magnets. Literally. There is 4 magnets. So let me rush. Okay, I need to be very strategic about this. I'm gonna need my permit,
And then my Ted Baker. Guys, please sponsor me. Ted Baker. Please. I literally pack like shit. Let me go. Yeah. That's on par. Yeah, we did a good job. Like